Hello, how to solve a to the power of a to the power of 4 equals 64. We are solving for the value of a that satisfies this equation. We are using two different methods. So the first method will be for us to simply replace this a power of 4 with a variable. In this case, we can use x. So we have let x equals a power of 4. Now, that means this equation becomes a power x equals 64. So we can apply natural log of a power x equals natural log of 64. Now from here, I can have natural log of a power x equals natural log of 64. 64 is the same thing as 8 times 8, that is 8 power 2. Now if you have natural log of a power p, this is p times natural log a. So this will give us x times natural log of a equals 2 times natural log of 8. Now, if you observe closely, we have x and we have a. So what we are going to do will be to make sure these two variables are the same. So let's get back to this particular connecting equation. Here is the equation, x equals a power 4. We can isolate a from here by multiplying each of the exponents by 1 over 4. This is x power 1 over 4 equals a power 4 raised to the power 1 over 4. So this 4 eliminates this 4, leaving behind just a. That means we have x power 1 over 4 equals a, meaning a equals x power 1 over 4. So we have x times natural log of this is x power 1 over 4 equals 2 times natural log of 8. Now, let's get back right here. We have natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a, meaning natural log of x power 1 over 4 is the same thing as this is x times 1 over 4 of natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 8. So from here, x times 1 over 4, that is x over 4 of natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 8. So what I'm going to do will be to eliminate this 4 right here. So to achieve that, I multiply the both sides of this equation by 4. I have x over 4 times natural log of x. This multiplies 4 equals 2 times natural log of 8. This also multiplies 4. So what happens next is this 4 will eliminate this 4. We have x times natural log of x equals 4 multiplies 2. We have 8 times natural log of 8. So right here, we can compare them because everything seems to be the same. The 8 and the 8 are the same. The x and the x are the same. So that means we have x equals 8. So let's solve for a using this particular equation. Remember, a equals x power 1 over 4. So we have x equals a power 1 over 4. Then our x is 8. So we have 8 equals a power 1 over 4. So to solve for a, we need to isolate a from here by simply multiplying this exponent by 4 and having this by 4. So what happens here is that 4 times 1, that is 4. So we have, I think there is a mix-up right here. Let's get this equation again because I'm seeing something different. Look at it here. A equals x power 1 over 4. That's the equation, right? So how did I get x equals a power 1 over 4? Rather, a equals x power 1 over 4, right? So our x is 8. That means we are going to have a equals 8 power 1 over 4. And this simply means 8 is 2 power 3, that is 2 power 3 to the power 1 over 4. This gives us 2 power 3 over 4. So we can also express this as a fourth root of 2 power 3, meaning that we can have it as the fourth root of 2 power 3 is 8. This becomes our value for a using this particular method. Now, let's consider another method, a more faster approach of solving this. A power 4 equals 64. Now, if you observe, we have exponent 4 here. So, what we are going to do will be to raise each part of this equation to the power 4. Or have a power 4 raised to the power 4 equals 64 power 4. Now, let this a power 4 represent my x and this represent my y. So I'm going to have a power x to the power of y equals a power y to the power of x. So right now, this 4 comes inside this bracket and this a power 4 goes outside the bracket because our y is 4, x is a power 4. So what we're going to have is a power 4 to the power of a power 4 equals 64 power 4. So from here, I have a power 4 raised to the power of a power 4 equals 64 is simply a power 2. This is to the power of 4. So you can multiply this exponent out. I have a power 4 raised to the power of a power 4 equals a power 2 times 4, that is 8. A power 4 power a power 4, a power 8, we can equate them. That means I have a power 4 equals 8. I can solve for a by eliminating this 4, so have a power 4 raised to the power 1 over 4 equals a power 1 over 4. This 4 eliminate this 4, I have a equals a power 1 over 4. So from here, I can have a equals the fourth root of 8, which also corresponds to this particular solution, fourth root of 8. So what we are going to do next will be to verify my a equals 8 power 1 over 4 or the fourth root of 8. So that means if you have a power 4 equals 64, let's substitute this for a. We have 8 power 1 over 4 raised to the power of 8 power 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4 equals 64. So this 4 eliminate the 4. What we have left is just 8 power 1 over 4 raised to the power of 8 equals 64. 8 times 1, that is 8. So we have 8 power 8 over 4 equals 64. This is 2. So from here we have 8 power 2 equals 64. And 8 power 2, that is 8 times 8. We have 64 equal 64. Left hand side equals right hand side. So that is it, guys. And this is how we solve this exponential problem. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much and see you again. Bye-bye.